Mula from beautiful sandy shores of the beach in Auckland. Hi, Mambula. Yeah. So have you mastered the 7 letters of the Fijian alphabet yet? If you have done so, that's good. Keep it up. So we eventually will give you the whole of 23-letter Fijian alphabet, so that once you memorize them, get them clear in your head, the next step will be doing some spelling tests, and eventually will get you to read Fijian. Okay. So after the first initial 7, amba, vanda, efanga, we are going to give you an additional 4 now. Hopefully we have mastered the first 7. So these are the next 4 of the 23-letter Fijian alphabet. And like how we did with the first, all we need you to do is to watch, listen and imitate. Okay, get used to pronouncing them. Get used to pronouncing the Fijian letters of the Fijian alphabet. So the next 4 are, and he's gonna repeat after me, and you two have to do the same. So here we go. E, cha, ka, la, E, cha, ka, la, E, cha, ka, la. Okay, last one. E, cha, ka, la. So keep up with that, and please like and subscribe. And if you have a comment, make a comment, put it in the comment section. I think YouTube says that if you like and subscribe and make comments, it's gonna help with the algorithm to help grow the channel, and eventually we'll get it out there, especially with our Fiji Diaspora. If you missed out in your schooling days mastering the Fijian alphabet, well, this will be your school. To master the Fijian alphabet, to master spelling Fijian, and to be able to read Fijian. We will eventually get to that, where we'll give you some short readings where you will be able to read, and really the whole idea of this is, even if you are away overseas, you will have the ability to speak. But before speaking, first of all, you need to read. If you read, that is the first step. So in reading, you have to first of all master the 23-letter of the Fijian alphabet. Keep up with that, and we'll get you the rest in the next video. Inaka, like and subscribe once again. Make a comment in the comment section. Let's help grow the channel for the Fijian language. Ole.